I'm PamOnSunset, and today we're doing a collab. What the what? What's up, Pam Pam? It's time for my favorite season, fall. And that means it's time for our annual collab with Katie Buxer. If you don't know who Katie is, she has an awesome DIY channel where she recreates IKEA stuff and anthropology stuff and does all sorts of cool DIYs. Go check her out. I thought this year it was finally time to test one of Katie's DIYs. If you don't know what I do here, I test out DIYs and recipes to tell you if it's worth your time or not, and give you tips if you want to try it. So let's find out the real deal on Katie's DIY. We're trying to make this awesome fall sign. Here's what Katie's looks like. It's really, really, really freaking cute. And I'm nervous about making it because Katie is an expert at recreating things, and now I'm recreating hers. And I know it looks like it's just gluing things on, so it seems like it should be pretty easy, but I'm nervous I'm gonna mess it up. It'll be okay. In a minute, I will show you how mine turned out, but before we do that, let me give you my tips. Tip number 1. Katie said to check your bottle and probably do 2 coats of paint. Here's what my paint said when I read it. Do horizontal and vertical stripes. So 1 coat was vertical, 1 coat was horizontal, and it definitely covered everything perfectly. Highly recommend. My next tip isn't one of my 3 tips, it's actually a tip Katie gave in her video. I just want to point it out so you see it. Arrange your leaves before you glue them on. Great tip, Katie. Tip number 2. Katie said to use tacky glue. I felt like I was being messy with my glue, and I went and got my Podge glue, which was sticking better, and I knew it would dry clear, so I felt a little bit safer by using it. Tip number 3. When my leaves were drying, I put a very large book over it and let it dry for an hour and a half that way, so that way they really stuck down and everything got super flat. It's finally time for the big reveal. In 3, 2, 1. It's fall! It's pretty faller. Get it? Faller, faller. Get it? This is what mine looks like. This is what Katie's looks like. And I think they look pretty dang similar. Are also both super cute. I thought this sign would be extra fun this year because we're all probably inside and need a little fall festivus just in our house. Just to make us happy. Why 2020? Why? So you want to know, is this worth it? The answer is yes! What better way to welcome fall than with a Hello Fall sign? It's super cute, it's easy. Awesome job, Katie. Make sure you go check out her video on her channel. I'll leave a link down below. She tested one of my fall DIYs along with some other YouTubers, so if you're into making some fall DIYs right now, we got you covered. Go hit her subscribe button, come back, hit my subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and thank you so much for being a part of the Pam Fam. Hope you're having a wonderfully glorious fall, wherever you are. There's a reason it's my favorite season, fall.